వినిపిస్తున్నామా? Okay, good morning to all. Yes. Okay, now what is the critical section? Yesterday we discussed about this terminology. Okay, what is the critical section? See, we use count plus plus or minus minus. But before that, this is variable. Yes or no? Count is a variable. Okay, whether it is decrement or increment, whatever. But this is variable. Yes or no? So how we can define a critical section? A common variable is shared by multiple process. Okay? This is count is one variable. This variable is used by process P1, process P1, P2. Yes or no? So that is critical section. Okay? So what do you mean by race condition? What do you mean by race condition? No idea. What do you mean by race condition, Amma? Be possible. Oh, much better. What do you mean by race condition? The order of execution of processes is called race condition. Yesterday we did not case 1, case 2, 3. Means first P1 is executed and then P2 again P1, P2 like that. So based on the order of execution, you will get the data is consistent or inconsistent. But we always keep remember, you can keep maintain data is consistent. Okay? Yesterday ఎవరైతే ఉన్నారో వాళ్ళకి అర్థమవుతాము. Okay? That is called race condition. The order of processes is called race condition. Okay, what do you mean by synchronization? What do you mean by synchronization? Why we need synchronization? Actually, we get some problem here. Yes or no? In the critical section, we did one program, one example. This is one example, critical section example. So, to overcome these problems, what is the problem we got here? What is the problem we got here? Critical section problem. Data is inconsistency. Yes or no? Inconsistent. Okay? So to overcome these problems, we introduce synchronization mechanism. Okay? So what do you mean by synchronization? So only one process, okay? Once P1 is finished, P2 and so on, P1, P2, P3. Okay? That is synchronization. Only one process at a time it will execute. Once it is finished, it will enter into the next one. Okay? So after that, what we discussed about criteria. Okay? Criteria means condition or rules. Okay? For synchronization mechanism. Okay? So what are the criteria for synchronization mechanism? One is mutual, exclusive, and what about second one? Progress. What about third one? Bounded. Bounded range. Okay. Last one. What is the last one? Architecture. This is also called portability. Okay. Portability. RL. Architectural. neutral. Okay. So these are the, so every synchronization mechanism it must satisfy all these. But mandatory are these two are primary amount. Okay. If any synchronization mechanism implemented, satisfying the mutual exclusive and progress mandatory and secondary. Okay, so every synchronization mechanism support first two. Okay, secondary. But this two are must satisfy the condition. Okay, so what is the mutual exclusive? What is the mutual exclusive? Anyone? What do you mean by mutual exclusive? So only one person, that means general example, only one person will enter into the room. Okay. So this is one critical section, Amma. This is critical section. Okay. Only one process will enter into the critical section. Okay. Already one person is there in the critical section. The second person will not enter into the critical section. Okay. Nearest one. Okay, so what is the mutual exclusive? Only one person will enter into the fiscal section, remaining all are waiting. Okay, what about progress? This is valid number, so this is multiple person. Okay, this is invalid. Okay, so what about progress? This is one, let us say this is one dressing room. Okay, so one person is interested to enter into this room. Okay, two persons are there. Okay, so let us say this is first person, this is second person. Okay, so person one is interested to enter into the this room critical section. Okay, but the second process P2 is not interested to enter the critical section. But thing is progress means you are not interested. So you never disturb the process P1. Okay, and interest లేనప్పుడు అలా ఎంటీ ఉండేయాలి కానీ ఆల్రెడీ నాకు వాటి ఇంట్రెస్ట్ నుండి చెడగొట్టదు కదా సో దట్ ఈస్ ద ప్రోగ్రెస్ ఓకే హియర్ P1 process P1 this is process P1 this is process P2 okay so P2 is not interested into go to the room critical section okay but P1 is interested but we will never disturb the process P1 okay that is called progress okay. What about bounded amount? What about bounded? See, bounded means see only this is process P1, let us say this is P2. So P1 is executed, okay, in the critical section 3 times, 4 times, okay. Means he is utilizing the as of now executing currently P1, okay. But here we need to give chance to other process. See, until infinite time it is executing. What happens? This is the correct way. So only process P1 is executing forever. But that is good for operating system? No. So give one chance to other process. Okay, either P2 or P3, whatever. Even infinite number of times executed P1, giving the P2 process only one time chance. This is not bounded. Okay. Bounded wait means this is process P1 is executed and utilizing the time infinite number of times. But the process P2 only one time. Actually, this is called starvation. Okay? So that kind of scenario is called bounded rate. So here there is no bounded rate. So we give the opportunity to other processors to execute it. Okay? That is called bounded rate. Ma clear here? Bounded rate means we need to give the chance to other process. Okay? Only one process taking the CPU time and time remaining process are waiting state. So that becomes finally waiting means finally we will get processor block, finally starvation problem. What do you mean by starvation? What do you mean by starvation? చాలా వస్తుంది ఇంకా కావాలమ్మా. See, if only P1 is utilizing the CPU time, okay? It is not giving chance to export remaining processors. Finally, what happens? Remaining all processors waiting for execution, okay? So finally, what happens? There is no chance for execution. Finally, these processes they block. Finally, this is called starvation, okay? Waiting forever is called starvation, remember. So what about portability, Amma? Or architectural neutral? You implemented one application or any or there it must be support any device. Okay? An example yesterday. See, Java is a platform independent or dependent. మర్చిపోయారా ప్రీవియస్ సెమిస్టరే కదా ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్ కదా ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్ వచ్చింది జావా జావా ఇస్ a ప్లాట్ఫామ్ ఇండిపెండెంట్ ఆర్ డిపెండెంట్ మీకు ఇంటర్వ్యూలో ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ మీదే ఉంటుంది జావా ఇస్ a ప్లాట్ఫామ్ ఇండిపెండెంట్ ఆర్ డిపెండెంట్ independent. What do you mean by independent? Why is it called Java is independent? See, she is not a independent. That means I Okay, Amma? So the next concept is, which is, these are the rules of synchronization mechanism. So synchronization mechanism is divided into two categories. Okay. Understand? Digitizing Amma, we have some more concept called not variable TSL, that means test set not. కనిపిస్తున్నాను కింద కనిపిస్తున్నాను. chemical. So synchronization mechanism is categorized into two types. One is with busy waiting. So in the with busy waiting, these are the mechanisms. Lock variable, TSL, test set lock. Okay. Interruption variable, turn variable. This word yesterday one example machine turn variable. The while turn not equal to 0. That means we are giving a chance to other process. Yesterday one example while turn not equal to 0 and then turn equal to j. That means we are giving a chance to okay. Turn variable, Peterson solution. Okay. So without busy waiting means producer consumer problems. Okay. And then philosopher problem, read write problem, and finally, to overcome all these problems, we can use semaphore. Okay, we will see one by one later. Okay, so it will take around 10 classes. Okay, okay. Let's see, Amma. So in the synchronization mechanism, what is the name indicates Amma? This one with busy waiting means. What do you think about this word? It's busy waiting. In generally, what do you think about this word? It's busy waiting. In terms of our operating system, okay, I have two processors. With busy waiting means I will know which one exclude progress, bounded wait, what about it. So with busy waiting means this is critical section number, okay. Process P1, P2, okay. So now process P1 entered into critical section, okay. Process P1 entered into critical section. It is not giving chance to export P2, okay. So P1 utilization C2 times more, okay. So that is called this process wait for hours, okay, for long time. This is called busy waiting, okay. I will give one example on that. Shopping వెళ్ళారు కదా మీరు అందరు వెళ్ళే ఉంటారు కదా షాపింగ్. This is one dressing room, okay. Two persons are there. ఇద్దరు బాయ్స్ కలిసా వెళ్తే who is boy who is girl, okay. This is boy and this is girl, okay. ड्रेसिंग रूम के लिए आकर तक रहे हो इसे actual physical section, but as of now, this example, dressing room. So he entered into the dressing room. This girl is not in the door. Okay? Continuously. This example is related with delay waiting. Okay? So now coming to the lock variable. మనకి ఇక్కడ చాలా డెప్త్ ఉంటుంది కొంచెం. Okay, so coming to lock variable, okay. So lock means it is not a lock, okay. See some word. So lock equals to by default lock equals to 0. Sometimes it becomes 1. Only 0 and 1. When we can say that 0, when we can say that 1. 0 indicates waited. Critical section is empty, okay. So no process is there in the critical section. One means already occupied by some process, okay. Next similar example, already dressing room lock value becomes 1 occupied, okay. Empty will be vacant, okay. So now I need to write one program, not small program, okay, don't worry. Come on, see the example. So while log not equal to 0. So default log equal to 0. Okay. As of now log equal to 0. Now check out on 0 not equal to 0. Condition true or false. 0 not equal to 0. False. Yes, false. Also, what happens? Condition false. Skip this. Okay, this line and export the next line. Okay. So now, apply 0 indicate for critical section. No one enter into the critical section as of now. Okay. 0 not equal to 0 means condition false. Okay. Skip the line and start to next. Okay. So now not equal to 1 means the process P1 will enter into the critical section. Okay. Understood? Now, in the meanwhile, the process P2 is there. So now, already log, what is the log? So already one process is in the critical section means log equals to 1. So in the meantime, P1 is executing. In the meantime, P2 is under unchecked. Now 1 not equals to 0. What is the condition? True or false? 1. As of now, log is 0. Now log value is 0 or 1. Already process P1 in the critical section. Now log is 1 0. Record on that, critical section ఉన్నారా లేదా? డ్రెస్సింగ్ రూమ్ లో ఉన్నారా లేదా? లేరా? నేను 0 ఫస్ట్ ప్రాసెస్ చెక్ చేశాను లేదా? 0 not equal to 0 means false means empty. Okay, no one is there. So process will enter into the critical section. Let us say P1. Okay, P1 entered into the critical section. Ma, listen carefully. P1. Now, in the meantime, other multiple process will be executing means there will be a chance to enter into other process. Yes or no? So, as of now, this log equals to 1 will become previously log initially 0. This condition false. Okay. Now, condition false means it will execute. Now, log becomes 1. So, the process will enter into the critical section. Okay. Now, log is 1. In the meantime, already one process is there in the critical section. Even though it is trying to enter into the critical section. Now, check the condition. As of now, log equals to what? Already 1. So 1 not equals to 0. What happens? True or false? So that's why I am putting semicolon number for condition. Is it required? You learn in the C Java. Well, can I put semicolon for condition? This is a program. Condition అంటే semicolon ఉండవాలి ఒక డెసిషన్ అంతే కదా. See, 1 equal to 0 means it's always repeated. See, because already one process is there in the critical section. Until this comes from the critical section, this loop will repeat continuously, repeated number of times. Okay, that's why you take semicolon. Okay, ma going there. So once again, see, in the beginning log equal to 0. 0 means no process is there in the critical section. Okay, that's why I set the condition 0 not equal to 0. Okay, so condition false. That means it won't repeat it continuously. Okay, enter into section. So log equal to 1 and process in the critical section. Okay, it is executing common code. Okay, now in the meantime, the process P2 is there and he is trying to enter into the critical section, but we need to check something is there in the okay. So check 1 equal to 0 means as of now 1. This is condition true. True means it will repeat continuous number of times. Okay, that means already someone is there. Once he came out from the critical section, then the other process will enter. Okay, this is the thing here. Okay, so how to write assembly language for Nipadamma? The same program I am writing into the assembly language. Let us say R0. Okay. So log, that means log value is what the value? 0. That is put into R0. Okay. Python assembly language నేర్చుకుంటాం ఇంట్రెస్ట్ పెట్టండి. So load comma R0. Okay. What is the second step? Once flag is 0, now I am going to check the condition. Okay. Condition in the sense I need to compare CMP. Okay. Compare. R0 I need to compare what is the value there in the R0 into the 0. Okay. Value means put it as 1. Okay. Just కొంచెం లేదా మొత్తం కలిపి మీకు నేర్చుకుంది లాజిక్ వర్క్ అంటే. Okay. Compare R0 to 0. See here I am comparing R0 to 0. That means R0 the second log. Okay. Log initially 0. 0 not equal to 0. Next. J and Z. Okay. What is that? Wait, I will write it. Okay, mark it. For the value comparison, okay. If it is 0 means it will exclude, okay. It will exclude and enter the critical section. If the log value is 1, what happens? What do you mean by this one? J and Z means so if not, sorry, jump is not 0. That means one item at if this becomes 1 means what happens? It will repeat continuously only step 1. So if it is 0 means it will enter the critical section and log we are storing 1. Okay? You are storing 1 into log. Okay? And enter into the critical section. Once the execution finishes for process, finally what happens? 0. Okay? So loading the value and comparing the value here. Jump not 0. So jump not equal to 0. That means the value log is 1. Okay? If the log is 1, what happens? It will go on continuously first condition. Okay? Continuous infinite number of times. Okay? And finally we are storing 0. Did you understood this one? This logic? 0. This is not required. Okay? Log is 0. This is not required. If it is 1 means you keep on going executing the first statement only. So once this is 0 means you are storing the log 1. Yes or no? Means someone is there. So I stored this 1 into log. That means log equals to 1. And 1 means so P1 is entering into this critical section. Okay? And we will export. And finally the expression is finished means it will come from the critical section. Okay? So now what happens? Log becomes 0. We need to set log to 0. Bracket. Okay? No one is there. Then it will export the next process. Okay? This is called lock mechanism, lock variable. Okay? అర్థమైందమ్మా మీరు ఒకసారి చదవండి అప్పటికైనా అర్థం కాదు. Okay, this is lock variable. So what I get, every mechanism must satisfy all the not four, only best. Primary, mutual exclusive, remaining two are optional. Okay, let us check. Mutual exclusive support చేస్తున్నామా? It supports mutual exclusive. Support చేస్తున్నా mutual exclusive. Mutual exclusive support చేస్తున్నా lock variable. What do you mean by mutual exclusive? What do you mean by mutual exclusive? Okay, let us say an example C. P1 is as of now executing 1. So that it is executed this line. Okay? Mean 2 also executed. Okay? And then will not be executed. Okay? So meantime, what is the meaning of phenomenon? P1 1, 2, 4. If you expressly step, okay? If this time means execution of process P1 is finished. Meanwhile, so here what happens, Amma? See, it's busy waiting. Okay? 1, 2, 4. It will execute. Yes or no? So, 2. So as of okay? So when the process is in critical section, preempted. Okay? Like that preempted. At any point of time, preemption is possible. Yes or no? Preemption means, what do you mean by preemption? I mean, much more silent. So if one process is executing, some other process will preempt. Okay? Stops execution of P1 and starts execution of other process. That is called preemption. It must not be a one must be executed later. That is not preemption. Okay? So now P1 is executed 1 to 4 times, but it is not. Meanwhile, P1 is preempted. Okay? Preempted means it stops and will execute other process. So P2 is started. So it will start at 1. What happens? What happens from here? 1 means already someone is there. Okay? So what happens? Continuously locking. Yes, sir, it won't enter into the critical section. Continuously knock the door. Okay? Already someone is there in the dressing room. She is continuously knock the door. What happens? Busy waiting. Okay? Understood this logic? This is called busy waiting. Once preemption is occurred, okay? Not this one now. This one, busy, plus P2. Okay? Now once P1 will export, fifth line, what happens? It's entered into the, it's possible, yes or no? So, but the thing is, why I am writing this example is, it's busy waiting. It's possible. One process already is there in the critical section. It is completion of this process P1. The second process is entered, but already one process is there in the critical section. So continuously what happens? This process is waiting. Okay, that's why we call it with busy waiting. Okay. So what happens? P1 is first time executed, preempted. P2 is start executed, preempted. P3. Is it possible like that? Is it possible? Yes, preemption mode. Already one process reading the first line. Meantime, the second process came and reading like that. So that's why this is not satisfying the mutual exclusion. Okay? Correct kada chapter? Is satisfying the mutual exclusion or not? What do you mean by mutual exclusion, Amma? So only one process, only one process in the exclusion. Won't enter to the another. Last variable will satisfy the mutual exclusion or not. The example is what happens? If P1 possible, we enter into the critical section. Think it. This is dressing table. Okay, dressing table. First of dressing table, ఇక్కడ వేకెటన్ కనపడదు. ఒక వేకెటన్ గా మనకి వస్తా ఉంటుంది. డెసిమల్ ఇంకొక వస్తారు. He is also looking, so already vacant. So I can enter into this room. Okay? We must also like a system. Again, we come back without seeing this one. Vacant, we directly enter to the room. అంటే మీరు షాపింగ్ మాల్లో చూస్తారమ్మా మా డ్రెస్సింగ్ రూమ్కి వెళ్తే ఉంటుంది కదా ఫస్ట్ ఒక పర్సన్ వచ్చిందో వేకెట్ ఉంది అగైన్ ఈవెన్ లేటర్ ఐ విల్ కమ్ బ్యాక్ వేకెట్ నా సో ఐ విల్ టేక్ 2 minutes time I will come back again so we went out so some new person came and already vacant the board is vacant so he entered to the room. Now this person is sitting there already previously I saw sitting there he is entering to the room. Possible like that. Just for logic, okay? Don't think it. Okay? So mutual exclusion is possible here. Mutual exclusion is possible. No. See, already one person uన్నారు and second person enter లేదు enter లేదు అంటే వాడు బ్లైండ్ గా ఆల్రెడీ ఇంత ముందు చూసాం కాబట్టి డైరెక్ట్ లేదు ఓకే సో ఇట్ వోంట్ సపోర్ట్ mutual exclusion. Okay? That means if the this is primary, yes or no? If the mechanism is not supporting the mutual exclusion means can I read it for the remaining? No, not required. This is mandatory. If it is satisfied means I will go on to let progress. Okay? But this is not satisfying. So I don't want to see the remaining details. Okay? ఎంత టైం అయిపోయిందా మా మీకు పీపీటీ అంతా కొంచెం ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ చూడండి ఈ ఆన్లైన్లో ఉన్న పరిస్థితి ఏంటి ఇక వాళ్ళు ఎలాగో అయినారు మా ఎనీ డౌట్స్ రిగార్డింగ్ దిస్ మీరు చదివితే డౌట్స్ వస్తాయి చదవకుండా డౌట్స్ రావు మా ఎనీ Who are having the doubts, you can ask me. Remaining members, you can leave from the session. No doubts? మా ఈ లాజిక్ నేర్చుకోండి, అన్నిటికీ ఇదే యూజ్ చేస్తున్నాను. ఇదొక కోడ్ లోడ్ అనేది దాన్ని బేస్ చేసుకుని రిమైనింగ్ అంటే